You gonna write something? Oh my goodness, look at this. Yeah, good boy. You gonna write?
No, not on there. On
no,
the paper.
on the paper.
Paper.
Andrew.
Paper. Paper. There you go. No, paper. On the paper. No, Andrew, come here. I think she's doing it on the thing and not the wood. Come here. On the paper. There you go.
Good boy.
Wanna try this one?
I don't like that one. That's like a ball. I think he knows what a crayon is for.
Ready? A-N-D-R-E-W.
Look at that big shine. Look at that big bump on your forehead.